Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me. I'm Nicole, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to make plump and juicy shrimp burgers. They're pan-fried golden with a super light coating of potato flakes and absolutely delicious with tartar sauce. Our recipe today starts with 1 pound of shrimp that has been shelled and deveined. We want to finely mince half of the shrimp. I find a mini food processor works good for this, and we're simply going to pulse the shrimp until it's broken down and starts to become a little bit pasty, but not quite pureed. And we will chop the remaining shrimp by hand to keep them just a little bit chunky. To a large bowl, we're going to add 1 egg, and we'll just give it a light whisk. And to the egg, we're going to add our blended shrimp, along with our chopped shrimp, a 1/4 cup of finely diced red pepper, a teaspoon of Old Bay seasoning, a little bit of pepper, and just a little bit of salt, a 1/4 cup of potato flakes, and a squeeze of lemon juice. And simply stir it all together. And now we want to cover and chill our mixture for at least a half an hour. That allows the potato flakes to absorb some moisture and the whole mixture just to firm up a little bit. While our shrimp is chilling, we're going to mix together a vibrant yet simple tartar sauce. It starts with some mayonnaise, about a 1/2 cup, 2 to 3 tablespoons of finely diced dill pickle, I like lots, 1 tablespoon of coarsely chopped capers, chopped fresh dill, a pinch of pepper, and a squeeze of lemon juice. And simply give it a stir to combine. And maybe a little taste test. Fantastic. We'll keep it chilled until we're ready to use it. To a shallow bowl, we'll add potato flakes and season them with salt and pepper. In a large skillet, add enough neutral oil to cover the bottom and heat the oil until hot. And while your oil is heating, we're going to portion the shrimp into 4 patties, about 5 ounces each. And I find just a dab of water in the palm of your hand helps to keep the shrimp from sticking. Place 1 patty at a time into the potato flakes and gently shake off any excess. Place the patties in the hot oil and cook until crisp and golden, about 4 to 5 minutes per side. Drain on a paper towel lined plate and allow to rest for 2 to 3 minutes. And my favorite way to serve the shrimp burgers is with a generous dollop of the fresh homemade tartar sauce and piled high with cool, crisp iceberg lettuce. So plump and juicy and deliciously messy. Using potato flakes in this recipe keeps the shrimp burgers gluten-free. If you'd like to stick with that, you could use your favorite gluten-free option as a bun, a gluten-free wrap, or even eaten simply like a fish cake. Thank you for watching today. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a great recipe, and we'll see you again.